Grand Rising family, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. How y'all doing? Hey, it's June the 1st, family. Hey, we ended the month of May with a little bit of boost. Did Bitcoin get high enough to help give any indication that this going to change the trajectory of the way last month went? Family, we're going to look at that chart and we're going to discuss Bitcoin and the way things are looking headed into this month for the rest of the month, family, right? Also, family, listen, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, I need you to go and hit that subscribe button, family. Hit that notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment if you like to, family, right? Hey, because this information and this month is really going to be important. Actually, I say the first 2 weeks of this month is going to be very important to tell what is the direction that Bitcoin is headed in. If we're going to be bearish, or are we going from a bull market to a bear market? We will be able to determine this within 2 weeks, family. I think so, right? We're going to talk about it, family, so I want y'all to stay in tune. Listen, Freedom of North Carolina is coming, family. It will be here October the 9th in select theaters, right? So look for it, family, right? And the soundtrack is off the chain. We got this song called Party that just came out, right? Also, family, I am offering a credit restoration class for anybody who may have bad credit and want to learn how to fix their credit. Want to learn, remember, learn. I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself. I'm not going to do it for you. So anybody want to learn how to fix their own credit, I will teach you how in a class. You just send me an email at bmac252.sf@gmail.com, right? Also, family, my digital real estate class is still up and running. If you want to learn about digital real estate, send me an email at ncrbgz Digital Real Estate Academy at gmail.com. Again, it's ncrbgz Digital Real Estate Academy at gmail.com. That's for anybody who want to join a digital real estate class, family. That digital real estate class is very important to help you move forward in this digital world, right? But with that being said, family, we're going to jump straight into this market, all right? And we come to party. Like, I like the song, man. The song good to me, man. I like it, man. All right, hold on, family. Give me a quick second. All right, family. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Sorry about that. All right, so listen. Bitcoin is at $36,711.13, family. Right? The total market cap is $1,606 billion. You see Bitcoin dominance is at 42.3%, and Ethereum is at 18.6%. So we can see Bitcoin dominance is still kind of high, family, right? So with that being said, let me go ahead and let's go to the chart, family, right? So let's start off. We're going to start off with the 1 hour chart, family. So let's get into this, right? All right, so family, the hourly chart, we see that we've tested the 3,800, family. We got to 37,952. We tried to get to 38,000, family, basically. We was almost at 38,000. We tried to test that yesterday. We got rejected. When we got rejected, I told y'all usually so. Let's put this 3,800. Let's right. So we're gonna put 3,800 right there, right? This is basically where we hit resistance. We hit resistance here. This is our resistance line. This is the line we have to get over, family. We need to get over the 3,800. We got close. We got rejected. When we got rejected, you see, we came down. And then we actually came down to about $35,861, right? And we got rejected. Now we're moving. We're trying to move back up, right? Now you can see right here, we had caught up with the 200-day moving average. We remember we had caught up with this 200-day moving average, which was a good sign for us, family, because when we was doing real good, we was above this 200-day moving average, family, right? You see that? We was above it, right? We was above it. Now it's catching up with us, right? So this was a good sign. So let's see if we can keep this momentum and keep going, right? But let's get out the 1 hour. All right, so let's go to the 1-day chart, right? So when we get into this 1-day chart, family, all right, now the 1-day chart, we had this death cross right here, family, right? Now this was a couple days ago. We've been trying to make a recovery, family, but we have to get back over this. We cannot stay under this, family. We have to get over this 200-day moving average. Remember, I got this line here. We have to get over here. First, I'm saying we have to get over the 38,000. But this 41,000 is ultimately where we have to get over. We have to get over this. We could not stay under it like this, family. Because if you look at this bull run that we've been in, this is the bull run. You see, we've been over it, family. Let's see how we've been over it. We've been over it. Now all of a sudden we under this, family. You know what I'm saying? Not good. But we can go back. And I hate to keep showing this, but we can go back. We go back to 2017. I'm getting there, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Last bull run right here. Last bull run right here, fam. We can look right at it. Right? Check it out. The hour shows it. All right, let's see. Let's look at this 200. This is what we're looking at. Only in the bull run. Right? Check it out. Look at it. We nowhere near this 200. Nowhere near it. Now look when we touch it. Look at the bull run. This is the peak. Around 20,000, 19,000. This was the peak of that bull run, family. Now, the good thing is we had an instance right here. Actually, they didn't even touch it. Yo, when the last time did we touch this? If we touched it here, that was early on. Yo, we had a massive, we touched it, but we had a massive bounce, family. Shit. We see the last time we was under this thing. You know what I'm saying? We came under it, we worked our way back above it. But technically at this point, the bull run was losing steam, family. So, woo. So now fast forward, it don't look good, y'all. Shit. Listen. Get all them pundits and all. Listen, y'all. This shit don't look good, y'all. I'm just telling y'all the truth, man. The chart ain't looking good. Now, I know about it just don't look good, man. This is just got me worried. So we under here, man. Let's go. All right, let's check out the 1 week. You know, 1 week. Same thing. We under this 34-day moving average, man. We trying to get above it though. I would say that. You can see right here. That's why I said we need to get to 38. You see that? If we get to this 38,000, family, we was above it. We need to get above it and stay above it, man. So we need to get to this 38. That's why I said we need to get to 38,000. Once we get to this 38,000, then we can get up here to test this 41, family. Now we will have a little separation between us and this 34. This is not good that we under this 34, family. You know, the 34 in a bull run, you don't see it, man. Like, look at this bull run. This other, I'm going back. This thing you see. See what we got under it? Even the first time we got under it, we had a nice bounce. But we never got back over the 13, but we had a nice bounce. So, you know, it's not good to be in between these moving averages, the 13 and the 34, as you can see. It's not good. We had a nice bounce, but we never got back over the 13 to resume. And what happened? Bear run. Bear run. Bear run, family. That's exactly what happened. The bull cycle started. Here we go this time. See, now we in between the 13 and the 34. We gotta get up out of here, man. We gotta get pushed through here and eventually get above this again. To be extra bullish, family. And that's just what it is. Let's go to the 1 day. 1 month. The good thing that in 1 month gives me hope. 1 month gives me hope because we know we not under here. This is where the most hope is at here because we're not under this 13-day moving average. You can see last bull run, once we got under it, we touched it, but we were bouncing. Hey, family, you can't touch it. You know, we're a little bit higher over, a little up here. So as long as we up, man, we okay. We need to get up more. So we need to eat some of this red candles up, family. All right, so let me get back. All right, we got Ethereum at $2,623, family. ADA at $1.72. Binance at $3.53. XRP back over $1. Dogecoin at 32 cents. Polkadot $22.56. Uniswap $27.46. Internet computers really came down, man. I hope nobody buy it when it was up high like that, man. Chainlink at $30.37. Bitcoin Cash $688. Litecoin 181. Matic still looking strong, $1.83. Stellar at 39, holding. Solana at $30, at $32.15. Got VeChain at 12 cents and Ethereum Classic at $67, family. That round out our top 20, right? So let's look at the altcoin season indexer. 90%, get out of altcoins. Get out of altcoins, right? Hey, crypto and fear. You can look at the crypto, the fear and greed index right now. It's a lot of between fear at 20%. Hey, a lot of people are worried, but listen, don't give up, family, right? Look, family, this Pi Network, if y'all want to join Pi, and it's a free download, and you can mine Pi with the rest of us, family. All you have to do is type in Max Crypto News and as your referral code, and then we can all mine Pi together and use it. So when it comes to hit when it comes to exchanges, at the end of this year, beginning of next year, we will already have a big bag of it, family, right? So listen, everybody want to get a piece of the pie. Make sure you hurry up and get in and get you a piece, right? One more thing. 3 on-chain indicators suggest that Bitcoin price sell-off is losing steam. Let me pause this.
Three on-chain indicators suggest the Bitcoin price sell-off is losing steam. Bitcoin, BTC, entered a consolidation phase following its May 19 crash from $42,600 to $30,000 on Coinbase. The flagship cryptocurrency recovered its losses quickly and reclaimed $40,000, but it failed to log a clear bullish breakout above this resistance level, and at the time of writing the price remains pinned below $40,000. The latest price action in the Bitcoin market has been, at best, choppy, with traders showing no clear indication about their short-term bias. Some analysts predicted that if the BTC/USD price does not break above $40,000, it may very well fall to as low as $20,000 in the coming sessions. Interestingly, a handful of on-chain indicators tell a different story. One of the most interesting themes holding Bitcoin's bullish bias intact is witnessing long-term holders and accumulation addresses stacking more BTC during the recent price dip. Furthermore, a metric known as the Bitcoin Entity Adjusted SPR, Spend Output Profit Ratio, shows that the market is no longer selling Bitcoin at a loss on aggregate. Bitcoin Entity Adjusted SPR. Source, Glassnode. Meanwhile, on-chain data shows that exchanges saw a decline in their reserves, a signal that traders have been withdrawing their digital assets to cold wallets or depositing them into DeFi liquidity pools for more lucrative returns. While the short-term perspective may be tilted toward bears, the following 3 on-chain indicators hint that Bitcoin could be in the process of bottoming out. Bitcoin, Sped Output Age Bands. The correction in Bitcoin price resulted in 3 kinds of reactions in the spot market. The first involved panic selling by short-term traders who sold Bitcoin to minimize their losses, probably because they bought the cryptocurrency near its top. The second reaction involved hodlers that decided to hold onto their exiting Bitcoin supply. They showed a long-term conviction in Bitcoin's bullish bias against supportive macroeconomic fundamentals, such as ultra-low interest rates, poor yields on government bonds, inflation fears and a declining US dollar, that made hedging assets like Bitcoin look attractive to hold. The best way to build wealth with #Bitcoin is to be boring. Too fast, quick, simple, steps: 1. Buy 2. Hodlet in number 39, S really that simple. Paul McNeil #BTC100K, @_CryptoCurator, May 28, 2021. The third reaction was a mix of hodlers and accumulators as traders utilized the Bitcoin price dip to buy more of the cryptocurrency at a discount. Various on-chain indicators showed a huge contrast between the Bitcoin reserves held by short-term holders and long-term holders during the price crash. For example, the Bitcoin Spend Out Age Bands chart below last week saw a greater amount of selling coming from coins that were 1 day to 1 week old. These coins kept moving in and out of the market, accurately reflecting the state of higher price volatility in the market last week. Bitcoin Spend Output Age Bands, calculated per 7-day moving average. Source, Glassnode. Meanwhile, coins that remained unspent for 1 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months also changed addresses in the wake of the recent price crash. Traders that held Bitcoin in wallets for 1 to 6 months moved them in May. Source, Glassnode. Another Glassnode metric dubbed the Bitcoin total supply held by long-term holders showed that long-term holders, entities that hold Bitcoin for more than 6 months, became the largest beneficiaries of the token sold by the short-term holders. Bitcoin supply held by long-term holders kept increasing amid the May crash. Source, Glassnode. In a weekly note to clients, Anthony Pompliano, investor at Pomp Investments, said, long-term holders are adding to their positions, short-term holders are selling. Some entities in the short-term cohort have now reached the 155-day threshold for this metric and are now in the long-term cohort. This divergence pointed to long-term stability in Bitcoin prices. More and more serious holders took positions against the ongoing macroeconomic crisis. Bitcoin balance on exchanges drops. The net Bitcoin reserves held by cryptocurrency exchanges have also declined in the past 7 days, showing that fewer and fewer traders now want to sell their Bitcoin holdings. The metric points to a typical trading behavior. Traders only deposit Bitcoin to their exchange wallets when they want to either sell them for fiat or trade them for other digital assets. As a result, the BTC reserves on trading platforms rise. Exchanges' Bitcoin reserves are down 14,207 BTC in the last 7 days. Source, Glassnode. Conversely, a higher degree of BTC withdrawals reflects traders' decision to hold the cryptocurrency. It means that Bitcoin would not face immediate sell-off pressure in the spot market, which is what the latest Glassnode readings show. Bitcoin accumulation addresses and balances rise. The total number of accumulation addresses and the balance within these wallets are rising. In retrospect, an accumulation address is the one that has received at least 2 BTC transactions but has never moved the assets out of the address. Convinced Bitcoin bulls continue stacking through the price dip. Source, Glassnode. In the last 7 days, the number of these accumulation addresses has climbed, adding 7,430 new wallets to the list. Another metric dubbed the Bitcoin supply held by entities with balance 0.01 to 0.1 showed that new users entered the Bitcoin network during its price dip. Additionally, supply held by addresses that have 0.001 BTC to 1 BTC in them increased in tandem, showing steady growth in retail interest. Bitcoin supply held by wallets holding 0.01 to 0.1 BTC spikes as prices fall. Source, Glassnode.
So family, what you see is that the short-term investors are being shaken out. Now y'all remember the last let me see if I can find it. The last show I did, I talked to y'all about the Bankroll. Let me see if I can find it. Hold up. The last time, the walk-off accumulation Bitcoin chart, remember? I showed y'all this the last, this was the one. I showed y'all this the last live, right?
سلام تحلیل داشته باشه برای وضعیت فعلی بیت کوین خیلی خوب.
Hold up, this ain't it. We're in Persian, get away from there. So hold on, let me show y'all. But I showed y'all this for a reason, family, to see what they're doing and how they're shaking, right? This is the accumulation phase, family, right? And so listen, this is where we're at right now. Let me play this, hold on. All right, so listen, June, this is where we at, family, right? We was expecting it to come down. I don't see it coming that low, right? But the expectation is for it to come up, come down. When it comes down, it's supposed to shake everybody else out. Spring back up, family. Remember in this, when I showed this last time, it was saying get up here to around 30. That's wrong. Oh, this Ethereum. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. Hold up, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, let me see. Let me look at this. But basically, what they were saying is that the price is gonna bomb. It's gonna come up again. Then it's gonna drop back down. Then once it drop back down, it's gonna get right to go up. But this is meant to shake out newbies, family. In short, all this is showing is that it's shaking out newbies, right? But at the same time, that's a theory. We don't know what's really gonna happen, family. And the way this chart's looking is, it's shaking. Now the smart people don't. The smart people don't sell. What you do, you put it in tether, and you wait. You wait to buy in tether, family. You put it in USDT or you put it in USDC, and then you wait, and then you'll jump in with your USDC or your UDT when you feel like it's at a point that you can buy. I gave y'all the buying points last show that I did. Right. With that being said, family, I thank y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News. I look forward to seeing y'all on the next episode. Y'all be safe. I love y'all. One love.